Hello everyone, this is PS and today I'm going to talk to you how in this distraction full of world you can live a simple life. um, सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये है कि आप कोई भी चीज़ जो नई अपने साथ कर रहे हो हमेशा ये अपने आप से पूछिए कि यह किस लिए है। लोगों को जलाने के लिए है, किसी से कंपैरिजन के कारण है, या ये खुद के लिए है। जैसे कि अगर आप मेकअप, क्योंकि अपीयरेंस आज के टाइम में बहुत मैटर करती है, तो मेकअप आप क्यों करके जा रहे हो। आई मीन किसी पार्टी में आप जा रहे हो तो कैसे मेकअप की आपको ज़रूरत है, हाई फाई मेकअप या सिंपल मेकअप। अगर आपको सिंपल लाइफ जीनी है तो सबसे पहली चीज़ जो आपको गिव अप करनी पड़ेगी वो होगा शो ऑफ। अगर आप हाई फाई मेकअप करके जा रहे हो सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि आप अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को बढ़ाना चाहते हो, आप अच्छे दिखना चाहते हो, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग। बट आपको हमेशा ये चीज़ याद रखनी पड़ेगी कि उस पर्टिकुलर डे पे सिर्फ उस दिन भर के लिए आपने मेकअप किया, वो आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को डिटरमाइन नहीं करेगा। आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को ये डिटरमाइन करेगा कि आप अपने आप को क्या मैसेजेस हर दिन देते हो, आप अपने आप को कैसे देखते हो। ठीक है, एक दिन के हाई फाई मेकअप से आप अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट नहीं कर पाओगे। ऑफ कोर्स यू लुक गुड, यू नो दैट यू आर लुकिंग गुड, बट दैट्स नॉट दैट वन डे का मेकअप या एवरी डे का 1 आवर 2 आवर वाला मेकअप आपको कॉन्फिडेंट फील नहीं करा पाएगा। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, इफ़ यू वांट टू लिव सिंपल येट कॉन्फिडेंस full of life, you need to do some simple makeup. For example, uh, I'm not against makeup, but it's like you are saying that you are down to earth and you love nature and everything. You are a minimalist person. You want to live a simple life, and yet you are putting lots of foundation, compact, and everything. Instead of that, if you want to look good, just highlight some of the features. That's enough for you. For example, you can simply open up your hairs and or put a clutcher, and you can use some surma or kajal. I think that's more than enough, especially women who have uh, huge eyes. For them, using a kajal make it look very bright and shiny and beautiful. Second, what is the clothes you are wearing? Now, I'm discussing right now only about appearances. Um, so, if you're wearing revealing clothes, that's fine. Fine by me. I don't judge people, but still, if you want to live a simple life, why not you dress smart, simple and smart, and look beautiful in that. For example, आज के टाइम में if you pair your shirt with a trouser or a shirt with a jeans or denim shirt with the jeans, that is one of the trendiest look and at the same time simple but not boring. So you have to think of ways in which you can have this simple life but you do not get bored with the monotony. Okay. Third, instead of spending your time with social media, phone, YouTube, spend time with a living person. Go visit your family members, go visit your friends, go on a walk with your neighbors. It's important, uh, because today's world is so individualistic that it is important for you to realize that we are a social animal and we need to have a connection with human beings. Third, fourth one, instead of putting a status on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, putting up a picture and making hashtags, you discuss hashtag feeling happy, hashtag feeling dumb. Instead of doing that, you discuss your feeling with someone in your family who you are very close to, a parent. And fifth one is about them only. Spend more and more time with your parents, go on a walk with them, find some bahana to stay close with them. help them in some household chores, but spend time with them. It's important. And if you can also spend time with any elder in the family, like your grandfather, grandmother. It's important because it helps you grow, it helps you gain experience from their experience and example. It helps you explore the traditional generation thing that you have not able to recognize or learn it because you are too busy in doing all that hashtag stuffs. So that is all I have for you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.